Hi, it's the for CAT S53 and I'll show you how to remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, hold for a while the empty space on your home screen and then tap to the widgets icon. After that, you'll see all of your available applications which widgets you can add. For example, let's add the calendar widget. You should hold the widget and drag it to your home screen. If you want to move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, also hold it for a while, and after that you could make it bigger or smaller. And to remove it from the home screen, hold it and drag it to remove icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.